guys, Pratima here. So for the past couple of weeks, I've had my hands on DJI's Mini 3 Pro. It is the latest affordable drone from the company whose price starts at $759. I am particularly excited about this video because this is the first ever drone that I purchased for myself, and I have just been loving flying it around, mainly because it is so compact and portable. I took it with me to a few places, and I have to say that I am very impressed with its capabilities. Being a tiny drone that it is, it can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS footages, it can shoot 48 megapixel pictures. It comes with a bigger 1x1.3 inch sensor this time with f1.7 aperture and an improved 3-directional obstacle sensing feature. Okay, before moving forward, let me tell you what all you get inside the box, which is basically the drone itself. Then you get the remote control. Now about the remote control, there are two types of remote controls that you can get. This is the DJI RC, the one where you have a screen built in, but you can also get the DJI RC N1, which does not have a screen built in, where you have to place your phone on top of the remote control. If you ask me, the DJI RC saves you a lot of hassle. You don't have to keep attaching your phone on the remote control every time you want to fly your drone, and you don't have to remove your phone every time you get a call or text. As I said, it's really hassle-free, but then again, the DJI RC costs you a little extra, so basically it's your preference. But if you ask me, I think investing a little extra money on the DJI RC is worth it. Now, talking about the drone itself, as I said, I have been really impressed with its capabilities. First off, it is super lightweight at just 249 grams, so it's been really easy carrying it around. Just a few days ago, I went outside the city, and carrying it around even when I was on a bike was not a problem at all. I live in Kathmandu, and this city is really crowded. I mean, there are buildings everywhere. Now, there are some really beautiful places too. There are some cultural heritage sites here, but you have to take permissions and approval from various different authorities, which could be a little taxing. So we went on a bike ride to the outskirts, and we were able to shoot some really impressive footages. The thing I like the most about the videos from the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the color science when you're shooting in standard mode. If I had to describe it, I would say that it's not too loud, but it's not dull at the same time. I find it the right amount of pleasing. Now, I'm not a professional when it comes to color grading, but if any of you guys are, you also get a flatter profile here called D-Cine-like, where you have greater flexibility to play around with colors during post-production. Okay, with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, you also get slightly extended flight time. With the standard battery that comes with the drone, you can get around 34 minutes of flight time in normal non-windy conditions. But if you have plans to travel a lot with this drone, I would suggest you get the Fly More Kit or the Fly More Kit Plus with it, which includes a bunch of extra accessories like 2 extra batteries, a battery charger / holder, a few extra propellers, and also this cool bag which can fit the drone as well as the accessories. The only differences between the Fly More Kit and the Fly More Kit Plus is that the Plus version comes with bigger sized batteries called Intelligent Flight Battery Plus that can give you up to 47 minutes of flight time in normal conditions. And also the Fly More Kit Plus is a bit more expensive. The DJI Mini 3 Pro comes bundled with a couple of quirky features too. One of my favorites is something called Master Shots. What it does is it tracks a subject and then makes a collage of various cinematic shots which look awesome. Here, the drone basically does everything for you. So if you are a beginner trying to figure out a way to take cool drone shots, this might be helpful. But you do have to know that you cannot go above 1080p 30 fps while shooting master shots. My video timeline is 4K 30 fps, so although this feature is nice to have and everything, I won't be able to use it in my videos. The quality is good enough for social media though. The next cool feature of the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the possibility of vertical shooting. The gimbal here can rotate full 90 degrees, so you don't have to crop in a horizontal video. With this, you can directly shoot vertical videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and the like. So TikTok, be ready for some cool drone shots. Just kidding, I don't have a TikTok account, but maybe I will have one now. Okay, in any case, there are some things that I wished were better on this drone. First of which has to be the brightness on this DJI RC. This remote control has a total brightness of 700 nits, which is okay for shooting in cloudy situations, but during sunny days, I've really had to squint my eyes hard to look into the contents of the screen. Secondly, the touch response on this thing is not very good. It is not unusable, but I did not find it to be the most responsive either. Also, I have faced some instances where the live feed on this remote control has been cut for some time, which would really give me heart attacks and I would retrieve the drone ASAP. This is, well, not necessarily the drone's fault. It is because of the obstructions that come in between, but still, I think this thing is worth mentioning. So with all the experiences that I have had with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, I can definitely recommend this to anyone who's an enthusiast or a beginner who is looking for a starter drone for their YouTube videos or even TikTok. The quality of the videos from this drone are great for the price and size of this drone, and it's really compact, so portability is not going to be an issue either. Overall, I really enjoyed using this drone and I'm looking forward to using and reviewing other drones in this channel too. Do let me know in the comments if you would like that. With this, I am Pratima and I will see you in my next video.